Everyone thinks the best-selling robot vacuum is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Rovac Nick Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's kick things off with the Rovac Nick Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Priced at just $89.97, it's an affordable option that caught my attention because it combines both vacuuming and mopping. If you want a budget-friendly robot that does more than just suck up dirt, this is worth a serious look. The Rovac Nick boasts an impressive 5,200 PA suction power, which means it can tackle everything from pet hair to crumbs with ease. Plus, it has an adjustable mopping feature, so you can customize how much water it uses based on your floor type. This is key because no one wants their hardwood floors soaked. It also has smart navigation to avoid obstacles, making it suitable for homes with pets. It even connects to your phone via an app and supports voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can kick back and let it do the work. Now, I did see some reviews mentioning that the battery life could be a bit short on bigger homes. Here's the thing though, for smaller spaces or quick cleanups, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective helper that can vacuum and mop simultaneously. Skip this one if you have a larger home that requires longer battery life. For under $90, it's a solid choice. Now, if the need for better battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its self-emptying feature.
Product number 2, Shark Matrix Clean. The Shark Matrix Clean, retailing at $418. This one stands out with its self-emptying base and powerful suction. If you want a robot vacuum that handles pet hair like a pro, this is definitely worth your attention. The Shark Matrix Clean features LiDAR navigation, which means it maps your home and avoids obstacles with impressive accuracy. It's designed to capture dirt and hair from carpets and hard floors, delivering a deep clean every time. Plus, with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of debris, you won't have to worry about emptying it frequently. Imagine not having to touch dirt for 2 months. Pretty neat, right? And with voice control capabilities, you can easily schedule cleanings through your voice assistant. However, some users found it a bit noisy during operation, but honestly, that's a common trade-off for powerful suction. If you're looking for deep cleaning and can handle some noise, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect if you're a pet owner tired of fur on your carpets and hard floors. Skip this if you live in a smaller space and find the price a bit too steep. It's well worth the investment for those who need serious cleaning power. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for homes with specific cleaning needs. Product number 3, iRobot Roomba 105X. The iRobot Roomba 105X is our next contender, priced at $249. This robot vacuum caught my eye because of its smart cleaning capabilities and powerful suction. If you want to ensure every corner of your home is spotless, this is one to consider. This Roomba features 70x more power-lifting suction, which means it can grab even the most stubborn pet hair and dirt from various surfaces. It uses smart LiDAR mapping to ensure it cleans every room efficiently, avoiding furniture and other obstacles with ease. Plus, it has a 3-stage cleaning system, so it's not just skimming the surface, it's getting deep down where dirt hides. And when it runs low on battery, it heads back to recharge and continues from where it left off, giving you peace of mind. Some users have mentioned that it can miss some spots if not properly scheduled, but here's the thing. With its smart mapping and customizable room cleaning, you can easily target those areas that need extra attention. This is perfect for busy families who want a reliable vacuum that doesn't require constant supervision. Skip this if you prefer a vacuum with a self-emptying feature, as it does require some manual emptying. At this price, it's a strong option for effective cleaning. Now, if the need for smart mapping intrigued you, wait till you hear about our next pick, which takes it up a notch.
Product number 4, Shark AI Ultra. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum at $446. This model is designed for those serious about keeping their homes clean effortlessly. If you want a high-tech vacuum that handles everything from carpets to hard floors, this one is definitely worth a look. With Matrix Clean technology, it navigates in a precise grid pattern, ensuring that every inch of your floors is covered. It boasts a self-cleaning brush roll and a bagless self-emptying base that can hold dirt for up to 30 days, meaning you won't have to deal with the mess often.
It also features 360-degree LiDAR mapping, which allows it to adapt to your home's layout, making sure it doesn't miss a spot even when the lights are dim. However, a few users mentioned that sometimes it can have difficulty detecting small objects. But I'll be real with you, if you keep your floors clear, this won't be an issue. Plus, the advanced features make it a great investment. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who want a high-performance vacuum that cleans without you having to lift a finger. Skip this one if you have a tight budget or prefer something simpler. For the value it provides, it's a great option. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still offers strong features, the last product on our list might catch your interest.
Product number 5, Tycomb G8000 Max. We have the Tycomb Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo for just $108.23. This is a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. If you want a reliable vacuum that also mops without breaking the bank, this one's for you. The Tycomb offers 5,000 PA suction power, which does a great job at picking up pet hair and debris across different floor types. It also features a vacuum and mop in one go, which can save you a ton of time. With a battery life of up to 150 minutes, it's perfect for everyday cleaning without needing constant recharges. Plus, its ultra-slim design lets it reach under furniture easily. However, some users noted that it may struggle a bit on thicker carpets. But honestly, for the price, it does a fantastic job on hard floors and low-pile carpets, making it a solid choice for many. This is perfect if you're looking for a budget option that doesn't compromise too much on performance. Skip this if you have a lot of thick carpets, but for its price point, it's hard to beat. Now, let's wrap up with a quick comparison of all 5 products.
The RobVac Nick is great for budget-conscious buyers. The Shark Matrix Clean excels in self-emptying and pet hair removal. The iRobot Roomba 105X offers smart mapping. The Shark AI Ultra is a tech lover's dream. And the Tycomb G8000 Max is the best low-cost option. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but I hope this breakdown helps you find the right robot vacuum for your needs.